Mind-controlled robotic hand breakthrough. Real-time finger movement with no surgery. Robotic hand controlled by thought alone. It sounds like science fiction, but researchers at Carnegie Mellon University are making it real. No brain surgery required. Professor Bin He has spent over 20 years developing non-invasive brain-computer interfaces using EEG technology. And his team just hit a major milestone. Real-time control of individual robotic fingers simply by thinking about them. While previous systems required risky implants, this one reads brain signals from the scalp. No drills, just a headset. Participants were able to perform 2 and 3 finger movements thanks to a smart deep learning system trained to decode these intentions in real time. The goal: to make BCI systems useful in daily life, from everything from assistive tools to one day even typing. As Professor He puts it, improving hand function can dramatically boost the quality of life. And this breakthrough moves us a step closer to helping more people, no surgery required. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.